Oh, hello, this is Tak Chong from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. One of the primary goals of my fast cooking system is to make home cooking practical so that it can become part of your daily routines in such a way that you can incorporate it into your lifestyle so to achieve the maximum benefit of home cooking. The other equally important goal of the fast cooking system is for you to continue to improve the flavor of your food so that you will become your own very best cook. And my fast cooking system has 4 attributes, and the term FAST is the acronym for flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. Flavor chasing is a central part of this cooking system, allow you to continue to improve the flavor of your dish to your preference. In this video, you will learn how to use the fast cooking system as a lifelong pursuit to constantly improve your cooking. And flavor is the key aspect where you will find cooking to be most rewarding and pleasurable. Because as the saying goes, we love flavor first before we love food. Before we figure out how to improve the flavor of our food, first of all, we need to decide what is flavor. Most people, when they think of flavor, they tend to equate it with taste. And I used to think of it the same way. And now we know flavor also includes taste, because anyone who had lost their sense of smell would find that the food become tasteless. So when we do flavor chasing, we also need to consider the smell of the food that we cook. And when food smells good, they also taste good as well, and the two seem to go hand in hand. The third aspect of food that we often talk about is its texture, which we normally do not consider it to be as part of the flavor of the food. In the culinary world today, an important part of food's flavor is its texture. It includes properties such as crispiness, crunchiness, smoothness, and/or sliminess. And there are plenty of food that we like and enjoy is because of its texture. For example, potato chips. And for many people, the texture of cooked vegetables is very important. They want it to be slightly crunchy. Temperature is another significant contribution to the flavor of food. A bowl of chicken noodle soup is very different when it is piping hot versus when it is cold. And the culinary experience is quite different when you have a bowl of ice cream that is half melted versus when it is frozen. And the last but not the least contributing factor to the flavor of food is its appearance. A beautiful looking food also provide a great stimulation to the appetite. A good looking food always equates to be great tasting food, and food advertisers know that very well. So now we look at food. In terms of its flavor, we start to think of its taste, its smell, its texture, its temperature, and its appearance. So in the fast cooking system with the 4 attributes, flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking is designed to help you to achieve the best flavor. Stir frying is the engine of the cooking system because of its simplicity, efficiency, and flexibility. One of the greatest virtues of stir frying is its efficiency that will allow you to experiment with different food ingredients. The speed of stir frying allows you to get results very quickly so that you can make modifications the next time. The flexibility of stir frying makes it possible for you to cook many different kinds of ingredients in different combinations as well as in different ratios. A simplicity of stir frying is another great advantage of this cooking technique. It permits you to make minor modifications that can lead to significant outcome. In past videos, I have demonstrated small variations in how you cook a particular food ingredients can lead to significant differences based on a simple template. Once you master the basic techniques of stir frying and understand its variations that you could create, it becomes a powerful tool for flavor chasing. If stir fry is the engine for flavor chasing, then advanced prepping is the fuel for driving the engine. Advanced prepping is efficient for home cooking because by prepping once a week, you can cook during the week without the need for prepping, and then make cooking a meal efficient and usually less than 30 minutes. Advanced prepping is also important in flavor chasing, likening a pan palette. Advanced prepping provides a wide range of ingredients to pick from during cooking. And by having different ingredients already prepped, ready to be used, advanced prepping promotes creativity as well as experimentation, and this will put you on a path of flavor chasing. A template-based cooking is an essential attribute of the fast cooking system. Because through template-based cooking, it enhances the tendency as well as the likelihood for experimentation and lead to flavor chasing. By using template-based cooking, you learn the general steps of the template rather than specific instructions that are given by recipe-based cooking. Through template-based cooking, you would develop a much better understanding of the significance of each step in the template. This will allow you to make modifications and adjustments. With many different ingredients available to you through advanced prepping, you have a large repertoire of ingredients to draw from. This will give you much greater liberty to make modifications and adjustments to the template by selecting different type of ingredients and also by combining in a different way as well as in different ratios. Without any question, template-based cooking makes home cooking more intuitive. But more importantly, template-based cooking promotes experimentation, and it will result in creativity and innovation of dishes that you already know well. Through template-based cooking, you not only make substitution with ingredients, but you will also try out different seasoning strategies by making substitution of sauces with different type of seasoning agents. Last but not the least is flavor chasing. You will start to look for the flavor that you enjoy in the dishes that you have cooked. Through stir frying, advanced prepping, and template-based cooking, you will make old dishes look like new dishes now. By making small modifications to your cooking techniques, by making substitutions of the food ingredients, and by make slight modification to your templates, you will now start to experiment and discover the flavor that you enjoy. And now with these tools available to you, now you can make modification and adjustments to the taste, to the smell, to the texture. And with these changes, and sometimes the dish will be turned out okay, but some other time it will be turned out just simply fantastic. And then you will start to make further modifications to these dishes, such as their serving temperature or their presentation. I have been using my fast cooking system for the past 5 years, and I have made a great deal of progress in the way how I cook, in the flavor that I created, and I can safely say that I am my own very best cook, and really nobody else could cook better than me. The reason is very simple. Through flavor chasing, I have learned what type of flavor that I enjoy, and I continually to refine that to achieve my flavor preference. I continue to learn from how other people cook. I'm fascinated by the creativity and innovation people have in their cooking. Whenever I find good ideas, I will adopt them, but I'm able to put into the context of my cooking system. And I'm able to make my cooking simple but as the saying goes, it is simple but not simpler. I post a video each day to help you to make home cooking as part of your daily routine using my fast cooking system. If you would like to learn more about my cooking system, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So keep on cooking. I will see you tomorrow.